Groundbreak Air 5778.
We got 5778, sir.
There's an American taxiing on the center of the engine for a little while now, on the right side.
At the center of the engine, on the right side, there's a flame coming out?
Yeah, right in the center of the engine, and the small exhaust there.
Okay, thank you.
American 391, there's a 170 behind you. Reported a flame coming out of your right engine.
Actively?
He said it's been happening since you've been taxiing behind. He's been behind you.
Alright, thanks. Can we turn right here?
Come on. American 391, contact ground on point 7.
Point 7, and was that the right engine?
Yes, the right engine.
Alright, thanks.
And that 170 is still on frequency. Maybe you can ask him.
Confirm right engine.
Affirmative.
We got 5778. That American is going to come back on my frequency in a second. If you can just tell him what you see again.
Yeah, we'll let him know. Alright.
American 391, are you on frequency?
We're on frequency here. Can we make a right turn off here?
5778, you go ahead.
Hey, yeah, guys, this is Brick Air 5778. We were taxiing behind you. You guys just had a small flame coming out of the center of your right engine, and it was prolonged for a while. I don't know if that's normal for the 7-3 or not, but I don't think I've seen it before, so we wanted to let you know. I can't tell now if it's still going or not.
Okay, yeah, thanks. Appreciate it.
And please advise us if you see it again, we shut down the right motor.
Okay, yeah, I can't see anything at the moment, so that would make sense if he shut it down. We could see it for a while. It was at least over a minute of it shooting out the back. It wasn't very big, but we could see it.
Roger.
Hey, American, if you're still on the frequency, it's the 5778. We're taxiing closer to. There's no sign of any flame or anything now, just so you know.
Roger, thank you. And ground American 391.
American 391.
Yeah, we shut down the motor and there's no indications, but is it possible you can have your fire trucks follow us back to the gate?
Yes, not a problem.
Thank you, let's stay here.
I'll call him now.